Okay, comma rule number 3. This rule is the comma plus fanboys rule. So when you open the slideshow in the commas folder, go straight to this slideshow, slide 5, which is rule number 3, comma plus fanboys. The first thing you need to know is what a fanboy is, and that is an acronym for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. The fanboys are conjunction words. They join two parts of a sentence together. So the rule is use a comma plus a fanboys to join two independent clauses together. Independent clauses are complete ideas. They can stand alone. They have a subject and a verb, and they are complete sentences or complete ideas. So an example sentence is, Barbara will bring the potato salad to the picnic and Mark will bring the cold cuts. Now I color-coded it so that it's a little easier to see what's going on. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a fanboy. And I see a fanboy, the word and. So now I have to check what's on each side of the and. Barbara will bring a potato salad to the picnic. That's a complete idea. I could walk up to you in the hall and say, Barb's going to bring the potato salad. And you know exactly what I'm talking about. On the other side of the and, Mark will bring the cold cuts. I can walk up to you in the hall and say, Mark will bring the cold cuts, and you know what I'm talking about. So because we have a complete idea and a complete idea, one in blue, one in green, I can use a comma fanboy. So here are a couple other sentences to help you see. I went to the store to buy apples, but they were out. So if I walk up to you in the hall, and that's always kind of my go-to if it's a complete sentence, if I walk up to you in the hall and say, I went to the store to buy apples, that's a complete idea. I went to the store to buy apples. They were out. They were out is also a complete sentence. We have they. What did they do? They were out. So I can use a comma fanboy to join this complete idea to this complete idea. The dog ran out the front door, so he was stuck outside in the rain for an hour. The dog ran out the front door, complete idea. So he was stuck outside in the rain for an hour, complete idea. I'm going to join them with the comma so, which is a fanboy. I really don't like bananas, yet I love fresh baked banana bread. So I really don't like bananas, complete idea. I love fresh baked bread, banana bread, complete idea. So there's my comma fanboy, which is a yet, comma yet. So you have to have complete ideas. So the first thing you're going to do is ask yourself, is there a fanboy? And then what's on both sides of it? Do we have a complete idea and a complete idea? If the answer is yes, then you can put a comma right there. If the answer is no, then you cannot put a comma there. So for example, if my sentence was, it's raining outside and dark. Well, there's a fanboy, and it's raining outside is a complete idea, but dark, if I just ran up to you in the hall and said, dark, you're not going to know what my idea was. So this one does not have a complete idea on one side. So you cannot put a comma before the and. And that is rule number 3. So if you need help, you have more questions, make sure you email me and ask for a Google meeting, and I'll be happy to give you some more examples or help you through the actual questions on the assignment.